Most people think strength fades after 60, but that's a lie. With just 3 simple moves, you can rebuild power at any age, and the last one will shock you. Exercise 1. The controlled march in place. Marching in place might look too easy, but when done with intention, it rewires your balance, strengthens your foundation, and restores stability. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open. Lift one knee to hip level, pause for 3 to 5 seconds, then lower with control and switch sides. The pause is the key. It forces hips, abs, back, and stabilizers to fire together. Why does this matter after 60? Because the biggest risk isn't weakness, it's instability. A stumble on a slick floor or uneven ground can lead to a fall. Marching trains your body to recover before disaster strikes, restoring proprioception, your body's GPS system, which fades with age. By practicing this, you rebuild balance and regain confidence to move freely again. Exercise 2. The wall isometric squat. At first glance, it looks simple, leaning against a wall. But slide down like sitting in a chair and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. That steady pressure wakes up quads, glutes, and core muscles that may have been neglected. Traditional squats can stress knees and hips, but this variation builds strength without impact. Isometric holds recruit endurance fibers, the ones responsible for posture and stability, that weaken first with age. Trembling legs mean progress. Within weeks, you'll notice easier standing, climbing stairs, and walking longer without fatigue. The wall squat also retrains alignment so your spine, pelvis, and legs work together as one solid unit. Exercise 3. The glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet planted. Press through your heels, lift your hips until your body forms a straight line, pause at the top, then lower with control. This targets the posterior chain, the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, the engine for nearly every movement. These muscles weaken with age and sitting, but reactivating them eases back pain, restores hip mobility, and strengthens posture. Physical therapists often prescribe this move because consistent practice can reduce back pain by up to 40%. The glute bridge also opens tight hips, improves circulation, and makes every step feel lighter and more stable. The routine. Lasting transformation doesn't come from one move, but the combination. Do these 3 exercises for just 10 minutes a day, 30 days straight, and you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more confident. Your best years of movement aren't behind you, they're ahead.